You know, if you're looking to start a new online business, there's so many things that you can do. There's so many different ideas that you can pursue and follow. And I want to challenge you that maybe creating a subscription business is one of the safest, most effective forms of business that you can start. Because the reality is that we all have these ideas for business and we go after them and we create some customers, but then we have to go back time and time and time again to create more and more and more customers just to get the same results as we've previously gotten. But if you can create a subscription service, that is one of the most effective businesses that you can create. And so I want to challenge you to think through, what is it with your current business, or if you're looking at starting a new business, what is it with that you can create a subscription around? And the beauty of subscriptions is that people are willing to pay monthly for things that you can offer them time and time and time again. So instead of you having to go after customers and put in the same amount of work over and over and over again to get the same number of customers and even increase the number of customers, you do the work once and you have a customer for a long period of time and they pay you monthly or weekly or whatever your subscription ends up being, and then you just have to deliver content to them consistently, but you don't have to do the work to go get the customer, which is oftentimes one of the hardest things in business. Customer acquisition is often the toughest challenge that the business owners face, right? And so think about how you can create a subscription service that will serve you for months and months and months. You know, the beauty of it is, look at some of the most effective subscription services out there. Netflix, let's take gyms for instance. People pay monthly membership fees to gyms, but oftentimes they don't even go. Month after month, they don't show up to the gym, and yet they don't want to cancel their subscription because it's valuable to them to know that they can go to the gym when they want to. And so the gyms don't have to provide the service all the time. They just are open, but so many people pay month after month after month, and it's more of a hassle for them to cancel than it is for them to keep paying, because that peace of mind that they can go anytime they want to. Same with Netflix. You know, they just have this subscription service where you can binge watch anything you want, and there may not be a TV show you want right now, but you're not going to cancel your subscription because you always want access to the products that Netflix offers. And the beauty of it is they can go binge and binge and binge and watch whenever they want, and they're willing just to pay a consistent monthly amount for those services. And so all Netflix has to do is get the customer one time and then have great value within their business that the customer can pick from whenever they desire to. So if you can structure your business model after that and build a subscription service, that can be a highly effective business model for you. So I challenge you to create some sort of subscription service within your business. That's why I have Limitless North. That's why I'm doing the Foundations of Success. You know, I sell this program about learning success and learning the shortcuts and the tips and tricks and strategies that make people successful, that make businesses grow, that earn you more income. And it's a subscription service because I am constantly adding new value to those groups and teaching them new things, but I want to get the customer one time and then keep them immersed in this community and culture where they're constantly being taught. And so my effort is to get the customer in, but I only have to do that one time, and then I just have to add great value within the network, within that system, so that people are constantly learning and challenged and benefiting from what I have to offer. So go create an amazing business, but go create some form of subscription to make your life easier. Hope this helps you. Hope it inspires you. I'm Makai Block with Limitless North, and I will see you on the next one. Hi, I'm Makai Block. Welcome to Limitless North TV. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You might ask yourself, why should I? Every week, I'll be developing and delivering quality videos focused on helping you become a high-value, high-achieving entrepreneur, to earn more and increase your income, to build and grow your wealth, and to make insightful and impactful changes to the way that you live your life and run your businesses. You will be challenged. You will be inspired. I will motivate you to hit that next level in your life, to overcome your obstacles, and to quit struggling through your mediocrity. But most importantly, I'll be developing and delivering strategies and ideas, tips, tricks, habits, and tools that you can begin implementing in your life today to see the success and the change that you've been hoping for. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a single episode, and I will see you on the next one. I guarantee you, and I promise you, that you won't regret it. welcome to Limitless North.